I'm Jessica. I'm one of the master trainers and coaches here at Sales Gravy, and today I am sitting right outside of Sales Gravy Live. And if you haven't heard of Sales Gravy Live yet, this is our in-person event where sales reps of all walks of life are coming together to learn and develop their sales skills.
The group settings were really helpful because I was able to take away knowledge from other individuals that are in other sales industry, like insurance or product development, and that helps me. Even though I'm in real estate, it still helps me to understand how different people look at sales.
The live role play with the other people, seeing the people from the other industries, the results and everything that we're learning is to make us better salespeople in general across whatever industry it is that we decide to venture out to.
That was my fear coming into this, that I would be intimidated by the other, students, but it seems like everybody's here to learn, so it's a really comfortable environment, a lot more than I thought it was going to be.
I feel like when you're virtual, you can learn and retain, but it's something about somebody being in front of you actually there. We all had to get up, drive here this morning. Some people flew, some people right down the road, just like me, and just seeing how we all can come together collectively and teach each other, feed off each other's energy.
It's definitely the best training that I've sat through. Coming to this, it's very engaging. So the most important thing that I feel like I learned so far was focusing that no matter what the call is to set the appointment, making that clear at the very beginning, and then sticking to that task to secure the appointment. She brings the excitement, and coming into this, that was one of the things that I had been talking to some of the other leaders about in our organization was we want the activity to increase, but they have to be excited about it. Otherwise, it's just busy work. Taking that back to our teams and being able to spread that excitement, I know it's going to accelerate our business.
When I had questions, not only did she answer them, but she gave me examples that I could take forward because she was able to put the hat on of a realtor, the hat on of an insurance person, the hat on of a product developer, and apply that with the question that was asked, so that you didn't feel like it was a generic answer.
So if you're curious about a Sales Gravy Live workshop and how it might be able to help you, and if you're serious about getting more deals in your pipeline and closing more opportunities in the near future, you want to check Sales Gravy Live out, and you can find that at salesgravy.com/live. Hope to see you soon.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to click like and subscribe so you never miss a single video. And if you want more sales training content, go to learn.salesgravy.com.